Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I will talk about the beeswax. So beeswax is the purified wax which is obtained from the honeycomb of the hive bee called the Apis mellifera, Lin, and other species of the Apis bee family Apidae. So this is the picture of the honeycomb, and this is the beeswax which is obtained by purification from honeycomb. Now, chemical constituents. Beeswax contain myrcene, which is also known as melicyl palmitate with melting point 64 degrees centigrade. Cerotic acid in free form. Myrcyl alcohol is liberated after the saponification of the melicyl palmitate. So, melicic acid, unsaturated acids, oleic series, oleic series, ceryl alcohol, and 12 to 13% higher hydrocarbons are also present. However, Indian beeswax has low acid value, while European beeswax has high acid value of 17 to 22. So, this way we can identify between Indian beeswax and European beeswax. Now, identification test. It is identified by saponification cloud test. So, for this 0.5 gram beeswax is added to 20 ml of aqueous caustic soda and boil for 10 minutes. If no turbidity is produced, then it is indicating of beeswax. Now, uses. Beeswax is used in skin conditions such as eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, as it has antibacterial properties. Anti-swelling effect helps to reduce pain and swelling and thereby reduce inflammation. Beeswax has strong antiseptic property along with anti-inflammatory activity, so effective in the treatment of acne. Vitamin A present in the beeswax enhances collagen production. It is useful in eliminating stretch marks. It is also useful in relieving jock itch and other fungal infection. It is also found that beeswax improve fatty liver disease. Mainly the conditions of fatty liver disease because it can normalize the liver function test, and also capable of lowering bad cholesterol, that is LDL cholesterol, and increasing good cholesterol level, HDL cholesterol level. It is also used as a base in the preparation of ointments, plasters, and polishes, and in many other cosmetic products such as lip balms, creams. Candle made with beeswax are great aromatherapy agents. So, this is a brief discussion of beeswax, its botanical, its source or biological source, or from where it is obtained, its chemical constituents, identification test for beeswax, and uses. Now, beeswax can also be adulterated because beeswax is adulterated with solid paraffin, sericin, carnauba wax, or other fats and waxes of animal or mineral origin. In case of the yellow wax, iodine value is used as a test to detect adulterant. But in case of white beeswax, the bleaching process has altered the bodies which absorb the iodine. So, this is all about beeswax. And guys, here I am ending my today's discussion. See you in my next video with another topic. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.